Pears, the perfect fruit, or just a fad? Get ready to dive into the juicy world of pears. These sweet and crisp delights have been a favorite for generations. But are they truly as amazing as they seem? Let's uncover the truth behind this popular fruit. The pear paradox. Pears, with their refreshing taste and versatility, have earned a special place in our diets. But here's where it gets controversial. While they're praised for their nutritional benefits, some argue that their high sugar content could be a cause for concern. So, are pears a healthy choice or just a trendy fruit with a short shelf life? The nutritional powerhouse, pears, a member of the rose family, offer a unique range of flavors from crisp to buttery. With origins in Europe and Asia, they've spread worldwide, becoming a beloved fruit. But it's not just their taste that's impressive. Pears pack a nutritional punch, too. A medium pear provides a quarter of your daily fiber needs, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. This, combined with their low calorie and fat content, makes them a popular choice for weight management. Plus, their high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar and improve cholesterol levels, supporting heart health. Pears also provide essential vitamins like C and K, boosting immune function and collagen production. And let's not forget their anti-inflammatory properties, potentially protecting against oxidative stress and vascular damage. Pears for all, humans and dogs alike. The good news is, pears are not just for humans. Dogs can enjoy fresh pear slices too, provided the seeds and core are removed. However, canned pears and those packed in syrup should be avoided, as the seeds contain trace amounts of cyanide, which can be harmful to pets. Daily dose. Is it safe? For most healthy individuals, a pear a day is perfectly safe and beneficial. However, due to their natural sugar content and high fiber, pears may cause digestive issues for some, especially those with sensitive stomachs or IBS. People with acid reflux may also find ripe pears irritating. Additionally, those on certain medications, such as potassium-sparing drugs or ACE inhibitors, should monitor their pear intake. While pears contain small amounts of vitamin K, consistency is key for those on medications like warfarin. The verdict: pears for all? So, are pears the ideal fruit for everyone? While they offer numerous health benefits, it's important to consider individual health conditions and dietary needs. As with any food, moderation is key. But for most, pears can be a delicious and nutritious addition to their daily diet. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the fruit itself, but how we prepare and enjoy it. So the next time you bite into a pear, remember to savor the experience and appreciate the journey this fruit has taken to reach your plate. What's your take on pears? Do you think they're a healthy staple or just a trendy fruit? Share your thoughts in the comments below.